I remember it as if it were me, like, oh. Said Tommy the cat in the real back there, whatever form matter names the Swain was beautiful. Many a fat alley rat from my eyes will straight point blank on the cavernous barrel. This soft some-telling machine. Truly a wonder of nature, the super predator. Tommy the cat had many a story to tell, but it was a rare occasion such as this that he did. She came sliding on down the alleyway like butter dripping off a hot biscuit. The aroma of the meats that was enough to rouse suspicion. He feels the type to hang around the hotspot those days. The sight was beyond belief. Many had sniffed for double, even triple takes as vivacious feet like generally into the delta of the alleyway. Where it must be around young tabbies were known to hang out. They hung out in droves. Such a multitude of masculinity could only be found in one place, and that was O'Malley time. There was thick with cat calls, no pun intended, but not even a muscle or neck that twitchy. She shot her straight into the heart of the alleyway. She knew what she wanted. She's looking for that stud bug. Tommy the cat is my name, and I'll say on to thee. Do you want to lay down with me? Baby, do you want to lay down by my side? Baby, do you want to lay down with me? Say, baby. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you the man, the myth, the pseudo-Mexican, Brain. lay down with me? I say, baby, do you want to lay down by my side? Baby, do you want to lay down with me? I say, baby, do you want to lay down with me? I say, baby, do you want to lay down by my side? Baby, do you want to lay down with me? I say, baby.